The effort to end homelessness continues tonight as Governor Gavin Newsom announced more than $827 million in new state investments to help create housing and also support those experiencing homelessness. ABC 10's Jeannie Nguyen joins us in studio tonight to explain what this means for the greater Sacramento region.
Alex, that $827 million will be spread across various counties and cities, including Sacramento, Placer, and the Yolo County regions. Now, the governor focused on accountability and transparency today, and lawmakers tell ABC 10 they're going to hold him to that.
We announce the distribution of $827 million to 37 jurisdictions throughout the state of California.
On Tuesday, Governor Gavin Newsom announced a new grant as part of the state's Homeless Housing and Assistance Prevention Program, or HAP, providing communities with support by creating permanent housing, rental and move-in assistance, and more.
We also now have a new template that we put out as it relates to prioritization of encampments, health and safety, 48-hour notification minimum, and expectations as it relates to service connections.
The Sacramento region will receive $53.21 million, with San Joaquin and Stanislaus County regions getting $14 million and $5.89 million respectively. But there are conditions to the money.
Expectation and reporting that would no longer be put at a quarterly or biannual basis, but at a monthly basis. An expectation that the rules and regulations that are well established in contract templates throughout this state as it relates to being in compliance with state rules, housing rules.
Back in April, an audit showed the state spent nearly $24 billion on homelessness and housing over a 5-year period, but lacked data on its effectiveness. Republican Senator Roger Nilo was part of the bipartisan effort to get the audit done.
Hopefully, he has found the value of accountability, but if past is prologue, at this point, all it is words.
While Senator Nilo credits the state for getting people housed, he believes the long-term solution is not housing.
They don't seem to be doing a good job at addressing why people became homeless in the first place, addressing those issues through counseling or otherwise, and getting them to self-sufficiency. From dependency to self-sufficiency.
In line with the announcement, the governor believes housing and supportive services will solve the homelessness crisis.
Now, the governor did add today that Sacramento did see a reduction in the unsheltered population last year. This is the 5th round of this type of funding, with the 6th round approved in June, which will be an additional $1 billion to come.